Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your wallet's name on TokenPocket application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite easy. Launch open TokenPocket app from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your wallet. Once you are, tap on the settings or the gear button at the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on the three dots right next to your wallet and then enter the wallet's name you would like to change to. After you do that, tap on save at the top right hand corner. And that is how you can easily change your wallet's name for TokenPocket. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.